city hasn't broke me yet, full of lonely people just wandering around for their own mistakes. When you feel like your life's about only things, just stay around looking for the meaning. 너무 피곤해. But I remember how I made it through, and I thought it was cruel before. Then I miss him too. Then my heart beats to die again. If all of me can be at peace, and it's hitting me hard this time. If all of me can feel this free, but I'm making sure nothing owns me or breaks into my soul. I really just need.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share a DIY project. I'm making over my breakfast area and adding a beautiful vintage gallery wall. I hope you enjoy. So guys, it started with a trip to Bunnings where I purchased a panel of VJ paneling. Now guys, this is similar to shiplap. It comes in a panel and I've used it quite a bit throughout my home. So what I wanted to do is the back wall behind my breakfast area, I wanted to add the VJ paneling to match the opposite side. So what my hubby and I are doing here is just lining everything up. And what he did is he cut it to size and then we liquid nailed it to the wall. Now once it was complete, we gave it a light sanding and then went in with 2 coats of Dulux Vivid White off camera. Now I had a vision for this wall guys, and I absolutely love vintage gallery walls at the moment. So I shopped my own home and picked out all my favourite frames that I have that have a vintage flair about them. I also went to Google and Etsy and printed out the prints that I wanted to go in the frames. It's the same love, it's the real love I need, and it's hitting me hard. It's the same love, it's the real love I need, but I'm making sure nothing owns me or breaks into my soul. I really just need. 힘들 때 나도 도망갈래 어딘가로. 그때는 나 잠시만 떠날게. Now, putting together this gallery wall, I also headed to my local thrift store. Now, I was trying to find some round frames, guys, but I wanted to share with you this absolutely beautiful fall print that was in there. Now, I didn't pick it up, guys. I just don't have the room for stuff like this, but I thought it was just stunning for the price. So guys, then I started playing around with how I would like my gallery wall to look. Now most people, guys, sit back and think about this. Not me. I just knew that the bigger frame had to go in the middle, and then I started to add different frames around that. I absolutely love these stunning frames that I got from TK Maxx a few months ago. They are just beautiful.
this one I picked up from the thrift store for just $5, and I love the ornate detail on it. I also feel, guys, if you're putting together your own frames, I like to spray paint them. So I had this ornate one as well, and I spray painted it gold. So now it's time to decorate the rest of the area, and I started first of all, guys, by removing all my baby blue cushions. I wanted to go in with something a little warmer this time. I also decided to take away my black and white check apron, and I replaced it with this beautiful lace neutral apron that I picked up from Temu. As it's winter time here in Australia, I really love bringing out my cozy cushion covers. I especially love the cozy boucle style of these cushions. I also love these checkered print fur cushions that I got from Temu this year, and I teamed it up with my Pottery Barn pumpkin pillow.
Do you get caught by your own thoughts like I do?
Now, you know I love a good checkered print, guys, so I bought in my checkered print vase as the centerpiece for my table.
You laugh at my simple poetry, or even worse, would you look at me with pity in your eyes, saying I'm great and that you would like to be my friend?
Now, guys, I've just ordered one of those USB gallery lights from Temu, so I'm going to add that in a future video when it gets here.
You got something that my heart just can't ignore, that I've never felt before. And if you go, I wanna go there with you.
I'm so in love with how this came. I always had a vision for this wall, guys, and I love vintage gallery walls at the moment. Everyone has such a cozy home when there's a gallery wall inside their home, and I just feel like this was the perfect spot to place my gallery wall.
But do you like the way the sun is dancing in the fall? Maybe you find some peace of mind, maybe not. If I had the courage to address you with my speech, yes, if I was brave enough to ask you, I'd ask you if you'd like to run away somewhere with me, a place where we both don't have to run from ourselves. 'Cause you got something that my heart just can't ignore, that I've never felt before. And if you go, I wanna go there with you. Even I know we're not supposed to be as close as I wanna be, but if you go, I wanna go there with you. Yes, if you go, I wanna go there with you.
thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to making over your breakfast nook with a vintage gallery wall. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel because I'll be back Friday morning, guys, at 8 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time for more videos here at Chelle's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.